Hey there, welcome back to Coding Stuff. In the previous video, we have learned how to update data into database. So in this video, we'll learn how to delete data on the basis of ID in SQLite database. So first, we'll just create one method in our main activity that will be public void delete data, and we'll just set on click listener to our delete button. So delete button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and we'll just call this method up here. So delete data, and we'll jump to our database helper file, and here we'll create one method that will be public and it will be type of integer delete data, and this method will take one parameter that will be id. Okay, and the first thing we'll just create instance of our SQLite database, and then we have to just return db.delete, and this parameter takes three arguments. So first is table name, and then where clause, so id equals question mark, and the string array. Okay, so delete data is the easiest one in all the other operations. So now we'll just create one integer variable here. So integer variable equals to mydb dot delete data, and here we'll pass first we'll just collect id. So string id equals id edit dot get text dot to string, and we'll check if id is null or not. So if id is equals string dot value of null, then we'll just set the error to id edit. So id edit dot set error, please enter id, and we'll just return it. Okay, so here we'll pass our id, and then we'll just check if this variable is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then data has been deleted successfully. So we'll just pass one toast data deleted, and if this is not the case, then we'll pass toast deletion error. So we'll check if it's working or not. So first we'll check if there is a data on id2 or not. So id2 and show data. So there is a data Steve and some random email. So we'll now delete the data. So data deleted, and now we'll check. So there is no data. So there is one bug, if you have noticed. This alert dialog is just showing the title if there is no data. It should be descriptive. It should show there is no data or no data found as a message. So we'll just fix this. It's too easy. You have to just add one else statement. So we'll minimize this delete data and open show data. So over here we'll just copy this show message. We'll just cut it and we'll paste it here, and we'll add one else statement, show message, and we'll pass here data there is no data. Okay, so this should fix it. So now we'll check. So if I give id2 and click on show data, so yeah, now it's a good. Okay, so this is it for this video. In the next video we'll see how to delete all data and show all data. So thank you for watching.